Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental principle of clean code, the Single Responsibility Principle, or SRP for short. At its core, SRP emphasizes that a class should have only one responsibility. Imagine a person. If that person has multiple jobs, they become less efficient at each one and it becomes a mess. The same goes for a class. Let's consider an example. A monolithic player controller class that handles everything from player movement to health management to interacting with objects. By adhering to SRP, we split the responsibilities into separate classes: player movement, player health, and player interaction. Each class now has a single responsibility, which has its share of advantages. Improved readability, enhanced maintainability, reusability, simplified debugging, effective collaboration. And there you have it, the single responsibility principle in action. Remember, what you've seen here is just a basic example. In your own projects, SRP will help you write cleaner, more maintainable, and efficient code. With that said, bye, and I will see you in the next one.